All right, y'all. So I am frying some chicken today. I haven't fried chicken in a while. So it's been marinating in mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, seasonal, and black pepper. I have went back to the basics, honey. My mama used to fry chicken with just regular self-rising flour, of course, in a Food Line bag. What else we gonna put it in? Something about a Food Line bag that makes it all come together. So just a little bit of chicken wings in this bag. Because, honey, I'm not cooking for nobody but me. And this will last me about 2 days, I want to say. Let me rinse my hands off. Give this bag a shake. I'll be right back. Alright, our chicken is well coated. You can't even see them that dead bird in there. Alright, let's take this over here. And here go my hot grease. The key to some good fried chicken is to make sure you got some hot grease. Hold on, y'all. Find somewhere to set my chicken. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Lucy. All right, y'all, let me set these in here before I drop this phone in this hot grease. All right, y'all, so we is cooking with hot grease. Got my chicken in my pan and it's going on. Back here I got some snap beans and what is that? Pinto beans with snap beans. And I don't even really like beans. I need to cut that out. That's ready. Over here I got me a pot of rice. It's ready. I'm going to put the lid on it and let it simmer on out. Alright. And back over here to my chicken. So I'm just having field peas. That's field peas with snap beans, fried chicken, rice, and I'm going to cook me some biscuits and getting ready to be my Sunday dinner. Okay, y'all, so I've greased my, sprayed my pan. I'm getting ready to, put my biscuits in here. And, because it's just me, I open my can of biscuits, and you know you can't eat the whole can, so what I do, I just put them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. So I've had these out so they can unthaw. And, I'm going to cook these 3 here. But this will be what I eat today and tomorrow. Okay? Yep, I just freeze the rest of them. So yeah, here go my biscuits. And I'll put them in the oven. So y'all, it's been raining today. See out my little window, child. But now the sun's out. Earlier today, it was pouring down rain. And I'm going to put a clip in here so y'all can see. But it was just pouring down rain earlier today. But now it's better. So anyway, my food is still cooking. And once it get done and I fix my plate, I'll come back on y'all. Okay? Alrighty. wind is blowing so hard, y'all. It's made the, y'all see that? That's a power line. It's made the power line fall down. That's how hard the wind was blowing. You all have a great Sunday. Okay, y'all, so I have turned the chicken over, and it looks scrumptious. Scrumptious. When you fry chicken, do you supposed to put the lid on the chicken and let it fry, or leave it off so it can breathe? I always just leave my lid off and just let the chicken breathe. I don't know which one you're really supposed to do. I'm reckon the medical honey tastes good, but because I keep my lid off, so chicken still be good. But I don't know the proper way to do it. Do you supposed to fry the chicken with the lid on, or are you supposed to leave it off? I always leave mine off because I feel like the chicken, it needs to breathe. That's just me, honey. But my chicken always turns out good. Now I might burn some bread, like I got the biscuits in the oven now, but I can cook some chicken. I can fry some pretty chicken. All right, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, my chicken is ready. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna knock some stuff over. All right, girl, you did that. You did that. Take it out. Have some. Y'all come on over and have some dinner with me. I almost burnt my little bit of chicken. Is that it? That's it. Oh, don't that look scrumptious? Let's set that over here on the little table. All right, y'all. So that's my chicken. It looks good to me. Ooh, sizzling, sizzling. All right. Y'all come over and have some. All right, y'all. So my Sunday dinner is ready. Fried chicken, field peas with snaps, rice, and a biscuit. And the key ingredient to my biscuit, y'all, I put just a little bit of honey on top of it. That is so good. There you go. And I'm going to put you got to have these 3 ingredients too for your chicken. Ranch, Texas Pete with what? Garlic. Love garlic and honey for my chicken. So, bon appetit. Happy Sunday dinner, you all. Toodles.